Bless the Lord at all times, and his praise shall continually be in my mouth. Please join me in welcoming the youth choir from St. Mary's Ethiopian Orthodox Church. Established in 1992, it has been serving the Tampa Bay community and surrounding cities for over 20 years. St. Mary's hosts Divine Liturgy and Holy Communion on Sundays and offers other sacramental services and more, including baptism, visiting and comforting the sick, religious counseling, marriage, Sunday school, and burial rites. St. Mary's is located at 2418 South 86th Street between Tampa and Brandon. Christianity in Ethiopia dates back to the 4th century, as it was one of the earliest kingdoms to adopt the faith. It was brought to the region by Saint Frumidius, later known as Abba Salama, who baptized the king of Ethiopia, Ezana, who canonized the religion and helped share the gospel through Ethiopia.
Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all? I'm doing good, thanks to God. As Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Christians, we're part of the ancient Oriental Orthodox faith, the Church of Christ as he and his apostles founded it. In addition to the divine liturgy, our church praises God with Wedeb, the slow melodic chant we'll perform today. These hymns were composed by Saint Yared nearly 1,600 years ago in honor of saints, martyrs, and the life of Christ. We'll use two instruments, the mekwamia, a wooden staff symbolizing the cross, and the tzinatzil, a sistrum whose 4 rungs represent the ladder with angels Jacob saw. Our movements will be slow, repetitive, and rhythmic to invite reflection on the message.
The first warab is Aman Ba'aman, Menkira Sabata Lidetu, meaning truly, truly, the glory of his birth is divine. You may ask, why a hymn about Christ's birth now? We recently celebrated Christmas on January 7th alongside hundreds of millions of Orthodox Christians around the world. We use our Ethiopian calendar derived from the Julian calendar, predecessor to the modern Gregorian. On Christmas, we praise the angels of the Lord and shepherds who sang unified in praise of Christ. The multitude of angels spoke, "Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace, goodwill toward men." This goodwill is best understood as divine favor or benevolence. God's favor and desire to restore heaven and earth out of his love is revealed, echoing the message of MLK when he said, "Darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that." Because in a world of darkness and oppression, only love and a solidarity like that of the angels and shepherds can bring light. That we are called to be the lights of the world and lead with love, as Christ did, is the message of Christmas and MLK.
We will then close with a short rendition, Hore Jesus, meaning behold Jesus, and commemorating Christ's travel from Galilee to Jordan for his baptism, or Timket, the namesake holiday we currently celebrate. Thank you for listening. Please enjoy.
Ah በአማን አማን በአማን ስብሐተ ልደቱ መንክር ስብሐተ ልደቱ አማን በአማን አማን በአማን መንክር አማን በአማን አማን በአማን መንክር ስብሐተ ልደቱ መንክር ስብሐተ ልደቱ መንክር ስብሐተ ልደቱ መንክር ስብሐተ ልደቱ አማን በአማን አማን በአማን መንክር አማን በአማን መንክር ስብሐተ ልደቱ መንክር ስብሐተ ልደቱ መንክር ስብሐተ ልደቱ መንክር ስብሐተ ልደቱ ሆረ ኢየሱስ ሆረ ኢየሱስ ሆረ ኢየሱስ ሆረ ኢየሱስ እምገሊላ 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 ሀበ ዮሐንስ እምገሊላ 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 ሀበ ዮሐንስ ሆረ ኢየሱስ ሆረ ኢየሱስ ሆረ ኢየሱስ ሆረ ኢየሱስ እምገሊላ 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 ሀበ ዮሐንስ እምገሊላ 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 ሀበ ዮሐንስ አሜን። Glory be to God.